Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make rice golden balance, only way. Start by rinsing rice and toasting it lightly in oil until it smells nutty, then add warm seasoned liquid and stir once. Cover and cook on low heat without lifting the lid, letting steam finish the job. Finish with a gentle fluff and a touch of butter or oil to enhance sheen and flavor for perfect golden rice. In this video, I will show how to make rice golden balance, only way. Choose a suitable rice and preheat oil until it shimmers, then toast grains evenly for a few minutes. Add warm seasoned liquid and a measured pinch of salt, then simmer gently until absorbed. Keep heat low and resist stirring often. This preserves structure and creates an even golden hue. Finish with a small pat of butter for gloss and balance. In this video, I will show how to make rice golden balance, only way. Keep the pot covered and simmer slowly after the liquid is added to let the grains absorb evenly. Do not lift the lid or stir frequently, which loses steam and ruins the finish. Once done, remove from heat and let rest covered for a few minutes so residual steam evens textures, then fluff gently to reveal glossy, evenly golden rice ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.